Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore how to optimize any public website using Trysetgo's AI SEO Optimizer. Analyzing SEO performance manually can be time-consuming, especially when dealing with multiple pages, metadata, and technical issues. With Trysetgo, you can simply enter a website URL and get a complete SEO audit powered by AI. Start by entering the website URL you want to analyze. Click on Analyze SEO, and the system will begin auditing your website. It scans your pages, analyzes metadata, discovers content structure, and identifies SEO issues across your site. You'll get actionable insights along with AI-generated recommendations, helping you fix issues quickly and improve your rankings. Now, next, choose your crawl strategy. You can auto-detect the sitemap, follow internal links, use a sitemap URL, or even analyze a custom list of URLs. And that's how you can use Trysetgo's AI SEO Optimizer to audit and improve any public website. Try it now and take your website's SEO to the next level.